Hello and welcome to Music and Fractions with me, Mr. Duffy. We have a piano here. I'm going to be talking a little bit about music and fractions. So the longest note that you can have is worth one bar, one whole bar. And it sounds like this. That's one whole bar. It looks like this. Just a circle. That's the whole note. It's worth one bar. We could sing it. If music just used long notes like that, that would be fine. Because we could have one plus another one. La, 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 la. So that was 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that was 4 bars of music. But music uses faster notes as well as long notes like that one. And that's why we need to make this one whole bar smaller and use fractions. Okay, what I'd like to do is divide that whole bar, that full bar, into half. So I'm going to add a stick to the circle, and now it becomes worth a half. And the half notes sound like this. La, la. So they last half as long as the whole note, which I'm about to show you now. So I'll show you the whole note, which lasts a full bar, and then the half notes. This is the whole note. I'll sing it too. La. Now I'll sing the half notes. La, 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 la. The whole one. La. So the half notes sound half as long as the full whole notes. Okay, just building on from this whole note and half note. This hand is going to play the whole notes, and this hand is going to play the half notes. I'm just going to zoom in so you can see. So this hand is the whole notes. They last for a full bar. And this is going to play the half notes. So you can fit 2 of these for every 1 of these. Okay, we're going to divide it even more. We're going to have some faster notes. And to do that, I need to divide the half notes again so we get quarter notes. Okay, and these sound like this. Let's listen to the half notes and the whole notes. Okay, so this is a half note, whole note, quarter notes. Much faster. So 4 of these would last the same length of time as 1 of these. 4 of these quarter notes would last as long as this. And I'm going to show you that on the piano now. Quarter notes, whole note, together. And I'll put that into a little song now for you. Quarters, whole notes with this one. That one. Whole notes for both. Back to quarters. Halves. Half and whole. Quarters. Halves 2 whole notes. 2 whole notes to finish. Okay, let's go crazy now to finish. So we've got the whole note that lasts for 1 bar. We've got the half notes, 2 of these last the same as 1 whole bar. And then we had the quarters, 4 of these last the same time as 1 whole one. If I was to divide it further, we get 8th notes. Just remind yourself how these sound, quarters. These 8th notes. Quarters. 8ths. And then, well, before that, 8 of these would last the same time as 1 whole one. And I'll show you that first. Whole notes, 8th notes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try quarters. So 4 goes into 1 whole one. 4 of these quarters. Half. 8ths. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the last thing is we can divide it even further to some 16th notes. These are super fast. Let's show you what these sound like. I need 2 fingers for these. I'm going to try and play a 16th with this and whole notes with this. Wish me luck. Whole notes to have a break. Okay, just to recap, I hope that you've enjoyed the music and fractions. We've learned a little bit about how musicians use different fractions to create different tones. It all comes back to this one, the whole note. That one lasts for a full bar of music, and bars are how we measure music. So what we did first, we divided it into halves, and then we divided it further into quarters, 8ths, and the super fast 16ths. So I'm going to show you now how musicians use a variety of these to create interest and sound nice. So this hand is going to play the longer notes, the whole notes, and the half notes, and this other hand is going to play a mixture of the quarter notes, the 8th notes, and the super fast 16ths. I'm going to leave those a little bit. I'm going to probably play more of these, the 8th notes and the quarter notes. This is Peppa Pig. This hand is going to use the 8th notes and some quarter notes, and this hand is going to play 8th notes and some whole notes. So I'm going to start with a whole note, then I'm going to switch to half notes, and then 8ths and quarters. Whole notes again. Okay, 8 halves, 8ths and quarters. So you see the quarters and the 8ths are faster because they're worth less than the longer notes, which are these. Okay, and this is Lewis Capaldi. So I'm going to play whole notes and half notes, and again a mixture of 8ths and quarters. Going under, and this time I feel there's no one to turn to. I need somebody to know, somebody to hear, somebody to know just how it feels. That's a little bit of that one. Whole note to finish. Hope you enjoyed the music and fractions. Any questions, fire them away. And if you liked it, we can do some more videos.